behind. Mine behind.
There you go, lad.
Hi, thank you.
Morning. Back in. Oh, hey. Yes.
Hey, everyone! Stop working for a second.
What?
I have been nominated for the Crane of the Year award.
Well done, Carl.
That award's got your name on it.
It certainly has, Carl. But we've got buildings to demolish, so everyone, back to work.
Okay, Buzzer.
I'm Crane of the Year. No one else can come near.
Carl, that's the best news ever.
Oh, it's what every crane dreams of. Oh, I am so excited, I can't stop tooting. Oh, excuse me.
When do you have to go up for it?
Oh, tomorrow morning.
And what do you have to do?
Prove that I can use all my attachments with style and finesse. Luckily, today I have to use my wrecking ball, so that will be good practice, yeah?
No other crane can swing a wrecking ball like you, Carl.
Oh. Well, Carl, it's time for you to show a bit of that award-winning style. We need to get that chimney down. It's what Mr. Roundy does best. Oh, and Carrie, if we're going to get this demolished and cleared by the end of the day, you'd better make a start on those floorboards.
Okay, Bozer. I'll be watching you, Carl.
Oh, thank you, Carrie. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, what's he going to do, Maxine?
Just wait and see, darling.
Oh, right.
I will topple this chimney in water.
I know you will, old friend.
What about a drum roll for the soon-to-be Crane of the Year?
Yes.
Seeing as I'm the only one with a drum, I'd better roll it.
Und a one, und a two, und a
Come on, Carl!
three. Oh no, I missed. My wrecking ball missed.
Don't worry, old friend. You'll get it on the next one.
Yeah.
Und a one, und a two, und a three.
Well, maybe the next.
Oh.
25 swings. 25 swings and still I didn't hit it.
Oh, look, Carl. Why don't you take a bit of a rest?
No, Bother. I've made up my mind. Maybe I'll be crane of another year.
But... Carl? Carl? I just heard what you said to Bozer. You mustn't give up. You've just lost a bit of confidence, that's all.
Oh, I wish that was just all.
Look, I'm going to make sure you go up for that award.
What?
By the time I finish with you, you'll be the crane for the next 10 years.
Oh.
Giving up is for soft tops, Carl.
Yeah, and Carl the crane is no softy top.
Right then, hold on to your hooky. It's going to be a bumpy ride.
Oh.
And up. That's it. And down. Go, Carl.
My ogre.
Drill as fast as you can.
Oh, down.
Come on, Carl. That's it. You can do it.
Grab it. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
And work that winch down. Work that winch. And unwind.
I can't lift anymore.
Carrie,
Huh?
Bozer asked me to tell you, if you don't get back to those floorboards, we'll never get this job finished by tomorrow.
Tell him not to worry. I'll get those floorboards finished if it takes all night.
Okay, if you're sure.
Come on, Carl.
Come on,
you
Carl.
can do it.
Go on, Carl.
Oh,
Come on.
brilliant, Carl. You're doing it.
Oh, yes!
Yeah! Keep going, keep going. So, how do you feel? Ready to go up for that award?
Oh, it's no good, Carrie. Thank you for trying, but you are wasting your time with a has-been crane. Like me.
But, Carl, you can't just give up.
If he's made up his mind, darling, there's nothing you can do to stop him.
Oh, my attachments. I'm sorry I've let you down. Ah, my grippy. Always there when I needed a grip. Ah, and my auger. Or what is all that noise?
Keep going. Keep going.
She's a plucky little machine, that forklift. Or that wood to shift. All on her own. She's not a quitter. Wait a minute. If she's not a quitter, then neither am I. Come on, my beauties. We have got an award to win.
Well, that's it. The last of the floorboards cleared.
Well done, Carrie. Now all I have to do is get on with the dozing. And of course, there's still that chimney. I don't know what I'm going to do about that.
I do.
Carl?
How would you like to have the chimney knocked down by the crane of the year?
Oh, yes. When's he coming?
He's already here.
Wow! Carl! You did it! I thought you'd given up.
Well, I watched you clearing these floorboards, and no matter how hard it was, you didn't give up. So I thought, then neither will I. I've even started tooting again.
That is the best news ever.
Hey, everybody. Our chimney's about to be knocked down by the crane of the year.
I think this definitely calls for a drum roll.
On ta one, on ta two, on ta...
It's going to be a good one.
You're the great
Well done, Carl.
And all thanks to Carrie. You could say she forklifted my spirits.